Lovely.
It's quite useful having it a little bit higher up as well.
What do you want? Normal?
Whatever
normal
it's going
synthetics
on,
40.
it's up to you.
Does it have a program time yet? Have I used this cycle before? Nope.
Oh right, so it only gives you a program time when it's done the cycle.
Calibrated here.
Mm.
So film this, because it's the best bit.
Right.
This is when the belt sounds horrible, because it's curled. We do 900 RPM extraction.
Oh yeah. You've done one now.
No, just wafting the smell away.
Oh,
It's
right.
quite disgusting,
Lingering,
in my
yeah.
opinion.
Go.
Depends for your air though. It's not too full way in that mouth.
Right.
Like my Carol fused.
Does it start heating straight away?
No. You'll know when it does, it'll make a massive clog.
Fills up quick enough.
It's not got a massive sump to fill, does it?
True. I like it already.
Good. Told you you would.
Mm. Bang! Don't do that. Sensitive.
What?
Water pressure. Water. Yeah.
Has to be.
Huh?
Has to be.
Was that just, did it just dump out a load of water then?
No.
Oh. Sounded different. Oh, it buzzes. Good. What we want. Huh?
Look at the grubby colour.
Yeah, I know. It's interesting. It's
It's the murder.
yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Oh, flip reverse.
There's a really weird little short tunnel that's not heated.
Oh. Huh?
He likes it.
Yeah.
Are they heating now?
No.
Yep.
Now it is.
Got on heater. Not then. Music, please. Yeah. Unless it's programming, it's alright.
Yeah. Cooling down already.
It's alright.
Don't like it anymore. I hate it when machines don't heat retain.
It's 1 degree, Phyllis.
For now.
You can stop filming then and fuck off home back to Brighton. With your little shit point WT940 or whatever it is, 60. And zero consumer.
Ah, good place to have it.
It's not central. Is that central? Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be alright. It's not your washing anyway, what are you worried about?
Oh, I know, but it would annoy me if it was, oh, it's just gone up a degree.
No, it's not.
And then it went down again.
It's not nice and warm.
Yeah.
You still like it?
Yeah, it's alright. Bear in mind, it isn't. It's synthetics.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's cottons. Does it do a spin off to the main wash? No, it doesn't.
Interesting. Why is it suddenly going really slow?
We advanced it to main wash 5.
Ah.
We got those on synthetics. Obviously it's a normal 40 wash.
Hmm.
Double tumble. Ish. Or not.
Don't know what it's doing.
Sorry?
Don't know what it's doing.
Time for a new one.
Yeah, get rid of it.
Buy a brand new one. You got 3.5k to spend.
Yeah. I don't think it's worth 3.5k though.
They are. They're more reliable than the Miele ones. Easily.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. Neither are cool.
I agree. Although I don't mind the professional ones. Proper professional ones. I'll give you the brochure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Leaky.
Leaking?
Yeah, it's dorsal. It's not sealing properly and light happens. So I'll change it when I get 10 minutes.
Huh.
But occupy you.
You chose to.
No, you forced your way over.
No.
Violence. I gave into peer pressure.
Where's the other logic then? In the
In
shed?
the kettle.
Yeah.
Have you seen what Storm Barbara did to the kettle?
No.
Right.
What, last night?
Machine's
Yeah?
in. No.
Oh.
Yeah, wasn't pretty. I don't know if they still work in there.
Oh, I remember last time you said there was something happened to it.
Yeah. And I like it because I can store stuff underneath it.
Yeah.
And I normally have my toolbox underneath the drain pipe. So,
Useful.
indeed.
Yeah, that's what I hated about my Zanussi thing. It didn't heat retain. Drives me mad.
I think on the sluice program it has to, and the 93 program.
What's sluice again?
Hot wash, certain temperature, certain time, high level for washing out debris and evacuating and stuff from junk. What have you filmed in the plunge?
14 and 60.
Synthetics or cotton?
Cotton.
Or film synthetics? 60?
Actually, have I? Actually, I can't remember. I swear it's a 14 and 60. I'll have to.
Have a look.
I will.
the bedding wash and the bending spots.
Uh, 60 economy, and then whatever else I do. That's mine.
Oh,
Wait.
look at that fat muggies.
Where's the other one then?
60 in the economy.
And 40 in economy, that's right.
Oh yeah. They're not public yet.
No.
No, well, one is. No, it's not.
No,
Neither of them are.
neither of them are.
Are those Philco ones public? Are they Hoover?
No.
Yeah, they're public.
Yeah, they are.
Only good leave the things on
Yeah. Water softener. Oh. What was
Winds.
a water softener? Winds. Temperature's gonna plummet.
Yeah, it will. Go to about 6 or something like that.
Well, 9 when it first started up. So.
Okay. Reached there about 16 for the first rinse.
Yeah, I'd say that. Yeah. Is it the same rinse level as the wash?
Yes. Actually, I don't know. I can't remember. Sorry, I don't understand. I said 16.
Well, 19.
Yeah.
The rinse is quite quick or what?
What's the basic side? Looks like
Are they on cotton?
reasonable.
21.
21.
22. Heat is clearly still a little bit warm or something.
Is it easy rinse? I don't know. Have a look.
Doubt it. Highly.
We almost did negative this one.
You know you might be right.
Fuck me. I have to read the program when you're looking.
Yeah.
It's bedtime reading.
But then now it's stopped.
What have you got that needs washing? Anything at 60?
Maybe.
Let's do
25
it.
now.
Maybe it is heated. Let it out.
Well, it's gone from 19 to 25.
That's really
It's gotta be. But what does it heat to?
probably just the generation of rinse.
Possibly.
Or no more than the temperature of the program if it reaches that in time. 1 of 3 is
Mm. drain.
Go to extraction.
Do you want to check the water, or do you not need to?
I think I'll do rinse.
Mm.
No, is it filling conditioner? Yes. Hello.
This guy?
Alright.
Yes,
I'm
please.
alright for both of them.
Yeah, just in the bathroom.
You alright with mushrooms, how you feel?
Yeah, I like mushrooms.
Oh good, okay.
Don't
Dad,
put baked
not.
beans in it.
Dad, no.
What?
Dad just put a couple of mushrooms in the soup.
In soup? Ooh.
Turkey soup.
Ooh.
And yeah,
There'll be some this evening.
tonight. A small portion.
The soup.
A very small
Really?
portion.
Good.
Oh, no. Oh, it's another one I didn't drink.
Okay.
Frozen drink.
15. Oh, it's softener rinse, is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
We'll set the thing up to only do 2 rinses and tell it to.
Mm-hmm.
I like the way it leaves the water on the door.
Quite annoying.
I like it. No. You also dislike it. Come on. Distribute, please. Ooh, that's not going to spin.
Hmm?
That's not going to go. Unbalance detected. There you go. Film the display, because that will do a display change if it's fast.
No. No. Maybe.
Maybe. I don't know. It's unpredictable.
You're worse than a hot point!
It actually, depends what you're watching.
My hot point would have spun by now.
Maybe your hot point rattles itself to bits.
No, it doesn't.
It does. Won't go.
No, no.
Oh, for fuck's sake. So I paid my hard-earned money on this, and it
For a
doesn't
commercial
spin.
Electrolux badged hot point.
Hot point? What are you chatting? Bullshit.
Bored.
Heating up in there.
Oh. Heated spin, is it?
Thermo spin.
Hmm.
Oh! Hurry up!
Spent 3 minutes doing this.
Beep, beep, beep. Hour 23.
Surely.
Probably shouldn't be doing this.
Yes. I'm a lot. Oh, put my right one. It's only like 400, isn't it?
What's the spin pattern? What is it? It's 450, 750, 30. I don't know what the selected speed is.
Probably 1,000,
Or 900.
maybe.
Oh, you get that.
Well, that looks about 800-ish.
Right, the spin pattern is as follows. 550 RPM 30 seconds, 850 30 seconds, 1100 RPM 40 seconds, 1300 time.
Even on synthetic?
I don't know.
Oh, look at that too long. You think there's something wrong with your eyes? It's fine on camera. Maybe. 21. Oh, that's so like, whoa.
Sorry?
Looking at that, it's like, whoa. Ah.
Don't this bit. We need to change it. Wait, more is more.
Do love the sound of any kind of commercial machine.
It's beautiful. I saw you jump. I saw you jump.